GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 26. The solution of the second order differential equation d2y by dx2 plus 2dy by dx plus y equals 0 with given boundary conditions as y0 equals 1 and y1 equals 3 is. The options are given and the relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data for this question. So if we assume an ordinary differential equation to be in the format of a1 a0 d power n, a1 d power n minus 1, a2 d power n minus 2 and so on till an into y equals 0. Here d is nothing but d by dx. So since the right hand side of this equation is 0, there will not be any particular integral will not be present. Only the part where complementary function will be present. The first case will be where real and distinct roots are there. In this case, the complementary function will be of the format c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x, where m1 and m2 are the roots and c1 c2 are constant coefficients which can be computed using the boundary conditions. For equal roots, the possible solution is c1 plus c2x e power mx, where m is the equal root. For complex conjugate pairs, the complementary function will be in the format e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. The conjugate pair will be in the format of alpha plus minus I beta. For this question, we have been given the differential equation as d square y plus 2 times of dy plus y equals 0, which can be written as y times d square plus 2d plus 1 equals 0. If we solve this equation of d square plus 2d plus 1 equals 0, this can be written as d plus 1 whole square equals 0. This would give d as minus 1 minus 1. This is the real and equal roots. For this case, y will be of the format c1 plus c2x e power minus x. Using the first boundary condition y0 equals 1, we would get 1 equals c1 e power minus x, which can be further solved as 1 equals c1, as x will be 0. Using the second boundary condition of y1 equals 3, we would get 3 equals c1, that is 1, plus c2 times 1 e power minus 1, which would give c2 as 3e minus 1. Substituting these values back into our solution, we will get y as 1 plus 3e minus 1 times x whole into e power minus x. So a second order differential equation was given with two boundary conditions, which was solved and the answer was obtained as e power minus x plus 3 minus 1 times x e power minus x, which is option A. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.